Okay. Hello. Hello guys. Today we will cook. What we will cook, Kuya? What we will cook?
Egg, pumpkin, tuna meat,
Egg with pumpkin and tuna.
tuna.
Oh, say hi.
Tuna.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi, let's cook egg dum.
Oh, let's cook egg with pumpkin and tuna.
Vegetables.
Kuya, what we will cook? What we will cook?
Egg,
Egg.
pumpkin, tuna meat,
Egg with pumpkin and tuna meat. What are our ingredients, Kuya?
Survey.
What are our ingredients? What is that?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Eggs is
Oh, you count the eggs?
Eggs.
How many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Oh, what is that?
Six
What is
eggs.
this? What is that?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
It's pumpkin.
And how about this? What is
What
this?
is
You read? Read mo nga. You read?
tuna meat?
Flakes
Flakes, tuna meat.
in
And vegetable oil.
oil. Oh, how about this? What is this?
Oil.
Oh, do you read? Do you read? Extra
Extra
virgin
virgin of oil.
olive oil.
What's this?
And how about
Pepper.
this? This one, this one. This one, you read? Iodize
Iodize. Pure salt.
pure salt.
Ito read.
How about this?
Black pepper powder. What's this? Pepper.
Powder. Very good. Black pepper. Those are our
Pepper.
ingredients. Egg. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Tuna.
Tuna meat.
Olive oil. Salt. And black pepper.
Black pepper.
Kuya?
Onion. Garlic.
Onion and garlic.
Egg. Egg this.
Oh, ayan na yung pumpkin. It's cooked.
What's this?
Oh, what are our ingredients again?
What's this? Onion.
What are our ingredients again? What are our ingredients again? What's that? Cook,
Pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Cook.
This one.
Egg.
Egg.
Cook.
What's this?
Onion. Garlic.
and garlic. Tuna.
Tuna meat.
Then, let's whisk the egg. Let's beat the egg.
Then mix.
Mix natin. Let's put first pepper.
Pepper mix. Let's mix the mix. Let's mix the egg.
Before we beat the egg, let's put little bit Pepper.
Naanghang na.
then
Mix. Salt.
so
Dito ko may Dito ko may salt off my
beat the egg.
face.
You beat the egg. Let's beat the egg. Beat. Ganun, oh, beat. Beat the egg. Beat the eggs. How many eggs?
1,
You count before how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6
8, 9,
lang. 6 eggs.
6.
Oh, nabit na natin. Oh, we
Then
mash the pumpkin.
we mash.
Let's
Mash.
mash. Oh, mash the pumpkin. Mash. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mash it.
Oh.
Yan si Gisep. Yan si Gisep. Gisep and Joshua.
Joshua and
We'll cook egg with
Joshua.
egg
Joshua.
with pumpkin.
Ah.
Egg with pumpkin and tuna.
Tuna. Oy.
Oh.
Ah.
Mash. All, you mash all.
Ay.
Oh, Kuya. Put the egg. You put the egg. Put there in the pumpkin.
It's too funny.
Put that
Onion and garlic.
onion and garlic. Oh,
Put there.
Put it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's too funny.
Fun. Oh.
It's
Then?
too funny.
Put this one. What's that? What's
Let's
that?
put tuna meat.
Tuna meat.
Let's put there.
Mm.
Oy, put. Wow.
Then?
It's too funny.
Fun. Oh, mix mo na, mix.
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 Mix. Mix. Mix this. This with this pan. This
Then?
cooking pan.
Cooking
Let's
pan.
cook. What's this? Ito, what's this, Mama? Ano to? Stove. This stove. It's cooking pan.
Let's heat the pan.
Let's heat the
Heat
pan.
first the pan.
Oh, mix.
Mix mo pa. Tapos naman mix. Ganyan na. Bagtapos mix.
Careful.
Yan. Let's heat the pan. Then, yan. Mainit na yan. Let's put the... What's
Oil.
this? Put
Let's put the oil.
Oil.
Bunnies. We have this. Face. Sis.
Let's put the oil.
Let's put the oil. Then cook this. Oh, what's that? A fire. It's naiinit na. Na fire. Let's go. Let's put this.
No, let's fry. Prito natin. I-prito.
One, two, three. One, two, three. It's cooking that one. Ooh, it's too
Cooking,
fun then.
Low fire.
Ooh, the fire.
Low fire lang.
It's too funny. It's too
And then what we will do?
cook.
What we will do?
Cook the egg.
Cover.
Let's cover tapos na.
Let's cover.
Again. Let's cover again.
What?
Cover again.
Let's cover. Oh, let's open. Let's see. Wow.
Boiling. What's boiling?
Frying. It's
What?
frying.
It's frying.
Oh, cover pa natin. Let's cover.
Let's go
Let's
first.
cook more.
Oh, it's like sige.
Oh. Visual ka na dito. Let's see what's happened.
Let's see what's happening.
Ooh. Balik na rin na natin.
It's a egg. It's a pan. It's
Balik na rin
cooking.
na natin. Let's, ano English na balik na rin? Balik na rin. What's the English of balik na rin? Flip.
Flip.
Let's flip.
Baliktad na flip mo. Natama na. Ano is?
Oh, ayan. Let's cook the other side. Let's cook the other side.
Whee! It's too funny. It's too flippy. It's a baliktad. It's boiling.
Let's cover again.
Oh, it's boiling. Oh, it's boiled. Boil. Oops. Oops. It's boiling.
Let's cover again.
It's boiled. It's boiled. It's boiled. Let's see.
Oh, let's see. Wow, what happened?
It's boiling.
Oh, it's frying.
It's
Look yummy.
it's yummy egg.
Nakabantay, no? Nakabantay.
And pizza. Guys, like a pizza. Look. Ooh, guys, like a pizza.
It looks,
Yeah,
it looks like a pizza.
it looks like a pizza. It looks like a pizza.
Let's see the other side. It's cooked already. Oh, it's cooked. It's done. It's cooked. Let's put in a plate. Oh, luto na. Yan na yung egg with pumpkin and tuna. Ayan na. What? Oh, yan. Luto na. Kakain na daw sila. Kakain na daw sila. Nag-isip, kakain na daw siya. Ayan. Oh, pizza daw. It's like pizza now. Gusto ba? Ito sa'yo.
Motorcycle.
Ito sa'yo. Oh,
What's
eat
the
na.
rice?
Gusto mo rice? Magra-rice ka?
Rice with the pizza there.
Magra-rice daw siya.
The rice. One rice.
You want rice?
Rice
Eat with
with this pizza.
Oh, ayan na. May rice ka na. Kuya. Ayan na. May rice ka na, oh. Oh, sige, yo.
With a pizza. That's
Hindi yan
nice.
pizza. Wait na.
Pizza with.
Tanggalin mo lang yung drawing mo. Anong drawing mo ba?
Pizza?
Anong drawing mo?
It's a bear.
Mag-drawing siya. Ano daw yan? Anong drawing mo?
It's a
Basta.
bear.
Bear. Bear yan. Yung kulay pa. Oh,
It's red.
red.
This crayon.
That is crayon.
Rain with this color.
You color it
color
with.
was cool?
What color?
Red.
Red. Oh, eat first. Eat first. Oh, eat your food na. Eat your food na. Oh, eat your food first.
Drawing.
Oh, tabi mo muna. Oh, sige. Eat ka muna.
Ooh, what slice?
You want slice.
Slice. Use the knife.
Oh, yan na.
Slicing. It slice. Where's my water? It's water. Oh.
Ayan, busy na yung isa.
Mama, what's this, Mama? Mama, what's this, Mama? Ito. The tissue.
Oh, eat na.
This.
Oh, let's eat.
Ano yung catch and there's na. Gusto mo. Look, wow. Look, wow.
Oh, yummy? Yummy? Oh, bye na. Yummy? Yummy?
Good.
Good. Oh, bye na. Bye na.
Good.
Bye.
Bye. Good.
Oh, it's good. Oh, bye. You said bye na. Bye. Bye.
Bye, you say.
Please. Please.
Bye.
Oh, bye na. What you will say?
Chinitos.
Chinitos. Please like.
And subscribe our channel. The Chinitos.
The Chinitos.
Hurry in the end.
Thank you for watching.
Hurry in the end. Watching. Please subscribe in our channel. The Chinitos. Hurry in the end.
Bye.
Hurry in the end. Hurry in the end.
In the end na naman daw.
The end.